Hi, this is Pallavi Verma, and in this video we will see how to work with StringBuffer. So let's get started. So first I'll create a class and you can give the name of class as per your requirement. So I'm giving str combine and I'm gonna add main method. So the approach that I'm gonna follow is first I'll create a method, then I'll use a StringBuffer in that, and then I'll call the method. So StringBuffer is something which would be good to use in multi-threaded environment because it's a thread safe and it's a mutable, which means it's not internally referencing to the location but actually modifying the value. So first I'll create a method. Let's say it's public void str form, and here first I'll create the object of the StringBuffer class. So StringBuffer, I need to give the name of the object and then I'll call its constructor, that too parameterized. So suppose I'm giving Pallavi. So StringBuffer is very similar to string concatenation. It concatenates the two string, but the difference is when we use string, we use concat method, but in case of StringBuffer, we use append method. So let's say it's object dot append. So I need to append Verma. But when we run this program, we will see Pallavi and Verma that will not have any space character. So that also we will see. So first I'm going to create the object of the class. Let's say it's object. And now I'm going to access the method using the object, which is strcomb. So if I run this code, you will not see any space character here. Oh, okay. I didn't log it. So I need to log it first. So it's obj. Now if I run it, you will see Pallavi Verma with no space character over here. So for this, what we can do is we can use append method and you need to provide the space character for this. So now if I run it, I'll see the space character between Pallavi and Verma. So I hope you like this video. Stay connected.